Hi sir, my name is Durgarao. I am from ECA section. My roll number is 20BQ100431. Today my seminar topic is pitting corrosion. Pitting corrosion. Pitting corrosion is an electrochemical oxidation reduction. It is a oxidation reduction process which occurs within a localized holes on the surface of the metals coated with a passive film. For example, this is the metal surface and forms the holes due to the corrosion is called the pitting corrosion because it is due to manufacturing defects or by accidentally happened scratches or cracks of the metallic surfaces are responsible for this type of corrosion. Pitting corrosion is considered much more dangerous than uniform corrosion since its rate is 10 to 100 times 10 to 100 times higher. Pitting corrosion is highly accelerated highly accelerated if chloride, sulfite or bromide ions are present in the electrolyte solution. Stainless steels and other metals forming a passive oxide layers on their surfaces. Suppose aluminum alloys or copper alloys, chromium. In electrolytes, the atmospheres are sensitive to pitting corrosion. Mechanism of the pitting corrosion is similar to that of crevice corrosion. Its pitting corrosion mechanism is similar to that of crevice corrosion. Dissolution of the passivating film and gradual acidification of the electrolyte caused by insufficient aeration. Oxygen penetration. Stage of pitting corrosion. Pit initiation. And first, initially, the initial pit may form on the surface covered by a passive oxide film as a result of the following. First, mechanical damage of the passive film is caused by scratches. Initially form a scratches at anodic reaction starts on the metal surface exposed to the electrolyte. The pacivated surrounding surface act as a cathode. Here form a scratches or holes. This is the metal surface and the form. This is it's a here in this hole or formed it is a act as anode and this is the cathode. It works as a cathode. Particles of a second phase that has non-metallic inclusions, intermetallic inclusions, metallic particles, microsegregations emerging on the metal surface. These particles participating along the grains boundaries may function as local anodes causing localized galvanic corrosion and forming a initial fits. First initial fits. Localized stresses in the form of dislocations emerging on the surface may become a anodes and initial pits. Emerging on the surface may become anodes and initiate pits. Non-homogeneous environment may dissolve the passive film at certain locations where initial pits form. At anodic reaction inside the pit is iron loses the 2 electrons. Dissolution of iron. The electrons are given up by the anode flow to the cathode. These 2 electrons are flowing through anode to cathode. Passivated surface where there are discharged in the cathodic reaction, that is half O2 plus 2H2O plus 2 electrons gives rise to 2OH. As a result of these reactions, the electrolyte encloses in the pit gains positive electrical charge in constant to the electrolyte surrounding to the pit, which becomes a negatively charged. The positively charged pit attracts the negative ions of the chlorine Cl minus. Here the positively charged pit attracts the negative ions of chlorine Cl minus, increasing the acidity that has if pit attracts the negative ions of chlorine then acidity increases of the electrolyte. According to this reaction, FeCl2 plus 2H2O gives rise to FeOH twice plus 2HCl. Finally, we result is Fe2O3 3H2O. pH of the electrolyte inside the pit decreases. Here, pH of the electrolyte inside the pit. Here, form the pit. Here, the pit inside the pit decreases. Electrolyte inside the pit decreases, and the acidity increases. pH value is decreases and the acidity increases from 6 to 2 to 3, which causes further acceleration of corrosion process. Large ratio between the anode and cathode areas favors the increases of the corrosion rate. Large ratio between the anode and cathode areas favors the increase of the corrosion rate. Anode and cathode ratio is increases, then increases the corrosion rate. Now see the examples. Here this is the iron pipe and form a pitting corrosion and the form scratches and holes on the pipe, and the another figure here form a holes on the surface, iron's metal surface. Here this is the holes. This collapse the iron. This pitting corrosion is collapse the iron, and see this figure. Thank you.